and now it's pouring with rain. Today is Tuesday and I am already in Phalaborwa. Yeah. I'm feeling good about today. I've got a lot of work to do, but I'm sure I think I'm gonna get it done. I might not. But yeah. What I am going to be doing now is going to do some work, and then I'm going to be heading back to either Hoedspruit or Tzaneen. I'm not sure which one. Anyway, time for me to get to work. I don't need to go to Hoedspruit that I thought I needed to go to. Awesome, back to Tzaneen, but I do still have quite a lot of work to do in Tzaneen. But that's okay. That is okay. I do have the rest of the afternoon to go and do it. And voila, I'm back in Tzaneen. Yeah, so I've got quite a lot of work to do here, so let me get to it. I needed to get plastic bags. 4 hours later. Alright, I'm at home. I have been for a while. I had to do a couple of tests online. Passed all of them, which is great. And now it's pouring with rain. Awesome. Except my roof is starting to leak again. Not so awesome. But that's going to be it from me. For everyone watching in the morning, I hope that you have a great day. And for everyone watching in the evening, I hope that you have a great day. Good night. I'm also busy eating something.
I went insane, trying to forget, but I hate myself now that I still want it, and I wasted my time. Must be out.